Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Prof John et on va parler de D2L site et les syllabus du cours. So, first of all, welcome to French 201 online version. Basically, our website, our D2L site is going to be super important for the semester, as well as the VHL site. So, first of all, let me introduce the site. Here you have the announcement sections in which you're going to find the emails I'm going to send you. So you're going to have twice the information within your email, within the announcement section of D2L. Why? Because in some cases you forget to check the D2L or forget to check your email. So to make sure that you are in the same page and you are completing the assignments in the due date, during the due dates or before the due date, please make sure to check your announcements or your emails. Also, if you notice here, we have the Arizona time. Arizona time is the time in which any homework is due. If it says midnight, it's midnight of Arizona. It depends on the state you are, of course, but check D2L time. That is going to be the appropriate one. Info about the prof. My info, like my name, Jonathan Henao Muñoz, enchanté, as I meet you on the Flipgrid video. Also, you can call me Prof John. This is my email address. I have office hours on Tuesday and Wednesday from 9 to 9:50 a.m. Arizona time again. You don't need appointments, so use the Zoom link that is there. You're going to be in a waiting room, so no worries. I will reach you out. If there is a conflict with the office hours time, please let me know and we can check availability. And we can set another appointment, no worries. And we have Think Tank tutoring in which you can contact any instructor, any tutor from the department, even myself, and you can ask for tutoring for any topic. I'm going to be there on Thursday, 9 to 10, but other instructors are going to be during the week, so feel free to reach them out as well. You can do it. And remember that the emails, I reply to them I have like a 24 hours delay. But try to email me during 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. because I can reply to you as faster. Just do your best. Materials for the course. VHL Central, that is going to be the website in which you have the ebook version and the assignment section. You can buy the physical book, but it's not required because it's a heavy book and mostly every single activity is going to be online. And you are online students as well. Just to clarify that if you have any issue related to D2L or VHL, please contact their support center. Why? They are the technicians. They know about this. So they are going to solve it faster than me. I'm the language instructor, I'm the linguist, I'm the applied linguist. So I'm going to be more useful for feedback, grades, related things, and grammar and vocabulary stuff. So make sure to contact the appropriate person depending on the need you have. So let's continue with the tour. You're going to find the content tab, and in the content tab, what you have the modules. You have the start here button. You have the important dates. You have the modules. You have the weeks, and you have extra resources, as well as more information that is going to appear along the semester. I will release module by module, so no worries. And those modules I divide by weeks, of course. So in that way, you are not going to be overwhelmed with the content. And the idea is you can process unit by unit, week by week, homework by homework, check feedback, improve, etc. So don't worry, I will always inform you whenever a new module is open or the next week video is available. So basically here in the Start Here button, that is the one that I asked you to check before by today, you have my biography, you have the syllabus, you have the netiquette, how to use D2L, technical prerequisites, and as well as how to email. How to email is super important because if you don't email me properly, it's going to be kind of difficult to me to help you out. That is the main idea. So I'm going to pay attention to this one before coming with the syllabus part. How to email. just email me from your institutional account to my institutional account. Make sure to put your section on the subject. French 201004 is our online section. Make sure to greet, please. I'm Prof. John. Nice to meet you again. Put your question, your comments in English, in French, in the language you need to put it on. No worries. An example of the issue, if you have a screenshot, is going to be easy for me. And you can say thank you and your signature. In that way, I'm going to trace your information, and I'm going to know who you are. Also, remember again, if it is D2L or VHL related issues, make sure to contact the appropriate support center. Here you have the links. Also, in the Start Here button, you have the syllabus. And you may notice that the syllabus is quite long. I understand that it's quite long, and I understand that it's going to be a little boring to read it. I will ask you to check it out again, and I'm going to give you a general overview of our syllabus. Make sure to check it out anyways, because the syllabus is the contract of the class. So, in general terms, what we have here? Here we have our syllabus, and we have the information of the course, the goals and the objectives of the course, policies, evaluation criteria, and the calendar that are the important dates. So first of all, remember that this is a coordinated course, which means that I have a coordinator and a director. So to make everything clear, first address to me, and if you have any issue, then if we cannot solve it, let's go to the next level, that is the coordinatrice. If it doesn't work with her, let's go to the director. If it doesn't work with him, let's go with the head of the department. But step by step, follow the protocol. And trust me that I'm the nicer one. So something happened, let me know. I will help you out. Other thing, remember, VHL is going to be important. Make sure to create your account. The book is not mandatory, but the access code is mandatory, because there we have the homework, and there you have the ebook version of the textbook, of the physical book. Also, if you haven't created an account, create it. Even if you haven't purchased the book, create it, because I can provide you with 2 weeks of grace period, which means you're going to be able to complete the assignments as soon as you can, and you can wait until 2 weeks to get to buy the book. You can buy the book via inclusive access, via D2L, that is the Bursar option, or by pocket. It depends on you, but you need to have VHL access code. How does it work? It says code, but actually it's not a code. You buy the access, and whenever you are looking at the University of Arizona, look for my last name, or for my name, Jonathan, or Henao Munoz. And choose the section you are enrolled in, like there is the online version, and click on enroll. That's all. For Conversify, we're going to talk about it in the next couple of weeks, so no worries. Then, what we have in the next is the other material. I told you, we need internet access, a computer well equipped with webcam and microphone, because we're going to have oral and written activities. So make sure to complete them by using your mic and your webcam, because I need to provide you feedback. In some instances, I will need to see you to know if you are pronouncing it properly, or if I can help improve your pronunciation, for example. Also, the objectives and goals of the class basically are that you are going to learn new stuff from Unit 11 to Unit 12. However, you will need some previous knowledge. Gender, number, agreement, passé, composé, parfait, some vocabulary rules, and the determiner rules, for example. And I'm not assuming that you know this. You don't have to know it. We are starting 201. So everything should be new for you, and I'm here to help you improve it, help you learn it and understand it. So just try to complete the assignments, to check the vocabulary, the grammar, and complete the activities promptly. Also, the platforms we're using are D2L, and D2L can be your enemy or can be your friend. It can be your friend just because you have all the materials there, all the links there, everything is there. You have just to read. Your enemy because if you email me telling me you don't understand something, let's say regarding the syllabus, and check it out, and you haven't read the syllabus because D2L tell me that, So the issue is that you haven't checked the information. What I'm going to reply to you in the email is that please check the syllabus, because you have to be responsible of the of checking out the content we have. We have Flipgrid and we have Padlet. Flipgrid for speaking activities, interactive tasks, Padlet for writing tasks. Conversify, remember that we're going to talk about this later, but you are going to talk with native speakers of French, and there are going to be these kind of activities in order to improve your skills in writing and speaking. For Flipgrid, Padlet, and Conversify, mostly you're going to have full points, which means a completion grade. You have to follow the instructions, follow the prompt, and complete the activity, and you will receive it. Because for me, the most important thing is the feedback. So make sure to work to do your best. In that way, I can give you a very detailed and good feedback. Also, the policies of the course. Attendance obviously is online. However, you have to complete assignments daily, from Monday to Thursday. Make sure you are going to do your assignments. Make sure you are going to complete the readings, checking the vocabulary, taking the quizzes, etc. Preparation, basically, you have to complete everything at home and try to complete everything before any unit test. I told you, because you cannot take a test if you don't have the previous knowledge. If you haven't prepared for the test, you cannot take it. So make sure to complete everything, the readings, the activities, the Flipgrids, the Padlets, the quizzes before taking the unit test. Also, the assignments, you're going to have two kinds of assignments, VHL credit and VHL graded. In other words, some activities are going to be multiple attempts ones. You can do it as many times as you want until you get satisfied with the grade. And some are VHL graded, which means you have just one attempt. So make sure you are completing the assignments properly, and you are aware that you have two kinds of assignments. Also, we have quizzes about grammar, vocabulary. We have other activities like Padlet for writing, Flipgrid for speaking, interaction, and reactions. Reactions, I'm talking about Conversify. And you have unit tests. The unit tests here, we're going to talk in detail about it. And basically is that our tests are performative tests. So we are assessing your performance, not your memory. We are not talking about you are going to conjugate something. No, you are going to provide a test orally by written, and you are going to have some reading and listening comprehension activities. You are going to read and listen in French, and you are going to reply in English. So we are going to test your comprehension. That doesn't have to be linked with French written or spoken language. Also, we have final grammar and vocabulary test. In this one, we're going to check grammar of the units in general terms. And final assessment is going to have a speaking section. We're going to use not on Flipgrid, but on Zoom. And we have the other sections that are going to be like the unit tests, but they are going to cover just the last unit and some content of the previous units. Also, we're going to talk about this later, no worries. We have Desordre Politique, class behavior policy, policy of student behavior, confidentiality, communication with the instructor, withdraw from the course, incomplete, accessibility and accommodations, code of academic integrity, academic misconduct, and non-discrimination and anti-harassment policy. In general terms, make sure that you are going to contribute to have a healthy, safety, and friendly environment for learning. Don't treat anyone. If I identify threatening behavior, I will report you to the dean of the students directly. So make sure you are being the best human being, one of the best human beings in the classroom. Also, confidentiality. I can email you your grades. If you want to talk about your grades, your performance, let's set a Zoom appointment. Also, communication with the instructor. Check how to email to me. That's all. Any doubt, I will help you. Withdraw from the course. Make sure about the date, because depending on the date you withdraw, you're going to have 100%, 75, 20, 50 or 25% of refund. Also, make sure to, if you want an incomplete, you have to be, you have at least having almost a passing grade, basically a passing grade whenever you are asking for it. it means 75% of the course completed with passing. So if, in other words, it's difficult to have an incomplete because in most of cases, we are not covered everything until the end. Accessibility and accommodation. Contact DRC if you need an accommodation I can provide you with. Let me know, but make sure to register your accommodation accessibility needs on DRC. Academic integrity. You are requested to follow some rules about plagiarism, about using of technology like Google Translate, and also as asking for help when someone else is doing your homework for you. Read carefully the contract, read carefully the Qualtrics survey, and submit it. Academic misconduct, again, is in general terms, and no discrimination and anti-harassment policy. Don't discriminate, don't harass. Again, if something I can identify discrimination or harassment, trust me that you are going to go to the dean of the office and it's going to be a serious issue. Next, make sure about the percentages. You have here the percentages and just make sure that you are not relying on the last final test. There are many opportunities to get an A in this class, and the first one is that you need 90% of the course completed with an A to get an A. So you don't need 100%, you need 90%. Do your best to at least reach the 90%. And remember that in other activities and Conversify, you are receiving basically by completion grade. So make sure that you are going to do your best, you are going to follow the instructions, you are going to follow the feedback I'm going to provide you. For me, the most important thing is the feedback. So no worries. The tour, I'm going to give you a tour on is the one I'm giving you right now on D2L, and we are in the Start Here section. And if you have questions, doubts, just let me know by email basically. And you have some homework that I'm going to email you, and I'm going to post on VHL and on D2L and via email. So no worries. And again, merci pour votre attention. Et on continue avec no VHL but Start Here button. So make sure to complete the to read the syllabus and to read the others, and to check the VitalSource inclusive access if you're going to buy your book and your Conversify access through Borsar. And remember that you have quizzes here, grades here, class lists in which you can contact your partners. And that's all. Merci beaucoup et à la prochaine. Au revoir.